everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dilla Sefira, and I will have a conversation with my friends today.
Hello, my name is Dandi Saputra. Okay, Dila, I was reading that astronomers have used digital photography for a very long time to gather a data.
That's correct, Gandhi. It was the primary way to capture the vast amounts of information coming through telescope.
I'm not great than 10. Is it glass flat white with white length sensitive for context instead of regular film? Why is that?
Well, the size of those plates depends on the telescope, and they are essential because they don't bend like film does.
So I imagine with flat telescope must have recorded some in incredibly like glass plates at then.
They currently did, and because they are rigid, they allow us to measure the position of stars very accurately.
It's also impressive that test plate can forsave information for decades for two astronomers astronomers to study.
True, but there is a downside. Even the best plates only convert a tiny fraction of striking photons into an image.
So even if you leave the shooter open for a long time to see fine object, most of the light is actually wasted.
Exactly, which is why photography is notoriously inefficient for short-time exposure.
If it's in fiction, why that it's remind the standard for scan a long period of time.
Because it acts as a perfect two-dimensional detector that covers a massive area at the telescope focus.
I see. So a single photography from eye with flat telescope and actually hold an enormous amount of data.
Precisely, but the era of relying solely on those physical plates has gradually come to an end.
Right. I have read the radio X-ray telescope now let easy thing, things that are completely invisible to ten human human you human eye.
Needed. And because we have these new technologies, direct photography is used much less often today.
Instead of coming a flocking of developed plates, modern astronomers use what and hacked view on eye television monitor.
It's much more efficient, especially since the data can be instantly converted into digital form by a computer.
And then what we refer to as image of processing with is now a control pillar of astronomy, right?
Correct. And one of the coolest parts of image processing is the use of false colors in our display.
I vision those vibrant space photo, but the computer is displaying information we can normally see.
Exactly, it's translate data that the unit eye could never detect into a visual format we can understand.
So when well can templates is because then where are actual cross from the vis, eh, visual spectrum.
Right, if you flew a spaceship to that object, it would look like the bright blues or purples in the photo.
So the crows are actually just a code reset to represent and specific factually photographer of the object.
Exactly, like using bright red to map out intense X-ray emissions coming from a distant star.
Then Mika Shane is I want to make the invisible focus of the universe visible up to us, up to Earth.
It really bridges that gap between raw scientific data and human visual perfection.
It's amazing how when from heavy glass plates to digital coding and place core mapping.
It truly is, and that evolution is what allows us to map the deepest corners of the universe today.
Okay, Dila, thanks for information.
Okay, you're welcome, Gandhi.
Okay, Dila, thank you.